Hi everyone! Welcome back to Crochet and Crafts. Today I am so excited to share an original pattern that I designed myself. We are making this gorgeous textured puffshell anklet with embedded beads. It's unique, elegant, and super fun to make. Let's get right into the tutorial. To start, make a slip knot and chain 2. Into the second chain from your hook, pull up loops 7 times. Now, yarn over and pull through all loops to create a beautiful, puffy stitch. This acts as our decorative end knot. From here, chain 20 to create the first tying strap. Now, let's make our first shell segment. Into the very last chain, pull up loops 7 times again to make another puff stitch. Once you pull through all the loops, it's time to add our bead. Slide a bead close to your hook and secure it with a single crochet. Next, chain 6, and work a slip stitch into the base of the puff stitch. Chain 6 again to come back up. And slip stitch right next to the bead. To finish the shell frame, chain 2 and slip stitch into the second chain from where we started our first chain 6. Our first gorgeous pearl shell pod is complete. Let's move to the next section. Chain 2. Into the second chain, repeat the exact same process. Make a 7-loop puff stitch. Add your bead with a single crochet and build the shell frame using our chain 6 sequence. I am showing you 2 shells here so you can easily catch the rhythm. Once you master this repeat, you can keep going smoothly. At this stage, after making about 6 shells, this piece can easily be styled as a stunning bracelet. Showing it on my wrist. If you'd like to keep it as a bracelet, you can stop adding shells here. But if you want to complete the anklet, simply keep repeating the pattern until it reaches the perfect length for your ankle. Once you have enough shells for your anklet, chain 20 to create the matching tying strap on the other side. Just like we started, work a final 7-loop puff stitch into the very last chain. Fasten off and cut the yarn. To finish up, tie off the loose ends securely on both sides and snip away the excess yarn. This anklet is designed to be tied beautifully around your ankle. And there you have it. Your unique, self-designed puff shell anklet is complete. If you love this original tutorial, please hit the like button and subscribe for more daily crochet inspiration. See you next time!